Wanna make sure your Galaxy Watch 6 ECG sensor is working properly? You can quickly test it right from your Galaxy S25 Ultra using the built-in device care menu. First, make sure you wear your watch properly. Next, on your phone, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostics. Tap Watch Diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. From the list, tap ECG sensor to start checking. On your watch, tap Start button. And then rest your finger lightly on your watch home button. If everything is fine, your phone will display normal. If there's a problem, it will let you know too. So, given to the function, this is a simple way to make sure your watch is ready to monitor your heart health. No need to install anything extra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.